In front of me is DOOGEE V30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Privacy section after scrolling down. Then click on Permission Manager and click on one of your device's features to manage it, or select one of them to access an app that you wish to manage. Now you can either select one of those apps and apply one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow, or click on an app and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!